Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our sixth video of HTML, and in this video we are going to talk about the text formatting in HTML. So let's get started. So I've written a point here that while most HTML tags are used to create elements, HTML also provides in-text formatting tags to apply specific text related styles to portions of text. HTML is basically not used for formatting or styles to a website, but sometimes we need some simple formattings in HTML as well. So we have got some basic tags in HTML that are used for formatting. They're not too important. We can do all the things in CSS as well, but if you are a beginner, so you must learn these formatting tags that we have got. So the first formatting tag we have got is for highlighting. You can use the mark tag or element for highlighting a text. A mark element is new in HTML5 and it is used to mark or highlight text in a document. So you can basically use it like this: the starting tag of mark and the ending tag of mark tag. And in the center you can write your own text that you want to be highlighted. So let's take a look at this example. For example, I've got a text here, like I have got a p tag. In this I've written that my name is. I want my name to be highlighted in here, so I will use the mark tag. This is the starting tag of it and this is the ending tag of it. In the middle I must write my name, and the text I want it to be marked or highlighted. So I'll just write down my name here, Fida Muhammad Khaksar, and I'll just simply save it, and after this I'll reload my web page. Look at here, my name is written like this, but it is my name that I've highlighted here has been highlighted in yellow color background. So if you want your text to be highlighted, you can use the mark tag for it. And second, the one that we use a lot in websites is for bold. If we want to make a text bold, we can use the strong tag for it, or we can use the B tag as well. For example, I've got a text here, I've got a paragraph tag, and I want my text to be bolded in this paragraph. So I can simply use the strong tag. In strong tag, anything that you will write in strong tag will be bolded. So I'll just write down my YouTube channel name, and I want it to be bolded. So we can simply use the strong tag. After using it, after refreshing our web page, you will see our text has been bolded. And we can use the B tag as well. B tag works the same. You can use the B tag as well for bolding a text. I'll just save it. After reloading the web page, they are both the same. They don't have any difference. So if you want to use the strong tag, you can use. If you want to use the B tag, there's no difference between them. After bolding, the one that we are using a lot is italic tag. And for that, we have got the EM tag in HTML. It makes our text italic. And we have got the I tag as well. They both work the same. If I want my text to be italic, in italic style, I can use that. For example, I want this text to be in italic style. So I can just use the EM tag simply like this. And after saving and refreshing my web page, look at it. Our text has been italic, and we can use the I tag as well. They are both the same. After saving and refreshing the web page, they look both the same. So if you want to use the EM tag or I tag, they are both the same. They work very similar. And after italic, we have got another tag that is very used sometimes in HTML for underlining a text. We can use the U tag if you want to underline a text. So I'll just simply give you an example. For example, I want my text in here, I want it to be underlined, this text, FMK tech. So I can simply use the U tag. Just remove the I and write down the U. After writing it, I'll just save it and look at here, look at our web page. It has been underlined. Look at this line. If you want your text to be underlined, you can simply use the U tag in HTML. And if you want to show your text as deleted or strike through, you can use the del tag as well. And we have got the s tag as well. You can use both. They are both same, del tag or s tag. I'll simply show you here. I want this text to be like shown as deleted, so I can use the del tag. Look at here, and I can use the s tag as well. They both work the same. I'll just write down s. I'll just save it, and after saving, I'll refresh it. Look at here, they work both the same. They have got both strike throughs. So you can use these tags for formatting in HTML. And we have got another formatting tag about subscript or superscript. You know, if you want a text to be in subscript or superscript, we can use these two tags, SUP for subscript and superscript and SUB for subscript. I'll just show you here with an example. Like I've written here a text X, and after that I've written 2. I want this 2 to be the superscript of this X, and I want this 2 to be the subscript of Y. So for this we can use the SUP subscript, superscript, or SUB the subscript tags. After saving it and refreshing our website, look at here. They look both the same. They are not superscript or not subscript. But I want this 2 to look as the superscript of X. So I can simply use the SUP tag. SUP. And I have to write this 2 in middle of our starting and ending tag. Look at here. We will have it. And I want this 2 to be in subscript of this Y. So we can use the SUB tag. I'll just write down 2 here. And after saving it and reloading our web page, you will see that 2 is in superscript of X and Y is in subscript of Y. So we can simply use these formatting tags in HTML. They are not too useful, but we have to keep them in mind. They are sometimes useful. So this was our 6th lecture of HTML about text formatting in HTML. If you are interested in learning web development or especially HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. And we are uploading some project videos as well. Like I've uploaded this login page video or project that you can watch. And I'm uploading some shorts as well in my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn web development in a really great way, so subscribe my YouTube channel to stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.